In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat back camera not working. So to fix it, try and closing and reopening Snapchat. That's the first solution. So just close it and then reopen it. And if that still didn't work, try and go to the front camera and then back to the back camera. And hopefully that solution should work. So click on the top right arrows over here. And if this still didn't work, then try and enable the camera app camera permissions. So just go to settings on your phone and then over here scroll down until you see apps, and then go over here and just find Snapchat in this apps list. So I found it, it's right here. Just click on it, and then over here make sure that camera is toggled on. And if you tried it and it still didn't work, the back camera, then another solution is just make sure that your phone's update, make sure it's at its latest update. So go to its software updates and then make sure that your iPhone or Android is at its latest update, as you can see, and that hopefully should fix the issue. Another thing you can do here is to check the App Store. So go to the App Store and then go to Snapchat, and then make sure that Snapchat is also at its latest update. So if you can update Snapchat, update it, and then try and try your back camera again. Hopefully it should work. And that's about it. Any of these solutions should work for you. Other than that, you probably have to contact support. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.